Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming you can access the phone and you know the current authentication method. This avoids lockouts. Once done, plug in if battery is low and open settings immediately. Make sure to use the settings search bar and type security or lock screen so you land on the correct menu fast. You need to locate screen lock, password, or lock screen settings depending on the Android skin. This step sets the stage for changing the credentials securely. Now tap the screen lock option and authenticate with your existing PIN, password, pattern, or biometric. This confirms it's you. Once verified, you'll see a list of lock types. Pick password for strongest protection or PIN if you prefer digits. Enter and confirm the new password carefully. Make sure it's memorable yet strong, combining letters and numbers or symbols. After confirmation, Android may prompt for backup PIN or fingerprint. Finish by saving changes and locking the screen to test the new credential right away. This verifies everything's synced. Once you confirm access, re-enroll fingerprints or face unlock so biometrics match the new lock, and check smart lock rules like trusted places and devices. If you can't unlock, try Google Account Recovery or Android Device Manager to reset. If those fail, a factory reset is last resort. Remember, this erases data. As a quick tip, keep a recovery email and backup PIN recorded safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.